So this is what I made. I tried to make one of the images that came. I tried to make this one and just added the extra pieces basically. So you got tree, which is 3D. Oh no, sorry, trying to balance it. You got obviously the characters. You got a portal. It's actually sort of at an angle, which is fun. And I feel like these are quite interesting magnets. So they're actually, from what I can tell, a hollow box with little magnetic balls. So it is magnetic no matter what side you put it on. Might take a second to adjust, but it is magnetic no matter what. It can also be like halfway. I mean, it's very dangerous to do it on this, but that was my fault. But yeah, so like this can obviously go in half. I mean, you can even do that. And yeah, you can make so things can kind of float, which is cool. Yeah, it's a really cool magnet design. But yeah, ignore the fallen tree. And this is the sign.
So this is the little pirate set. It's so cute. It has all of these magnetic blocks. They do shake. That's not really negative. I just wanted, well, this one doesn't. Some of them have like a shaking sound to them. See, that one does. I've never noticed that in sets like this before, but I don't think it'll mess anything up. This is how you make the pirate ship. So cute. And then here's what you get with it. Very nice. I think my son will absolutely be obsessed with this. It also comes in this handy little case, which I will try and keep. I think he'll want to keep it because it's cute. Anyway, there you go.
Pone la escalolaza y ¡pum! Cayó el golem de agua.